So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng Google app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! Ayan guys, para sa mga Android users, pwede tayong mag-update sa ating Google Play Store. So open lang natin yung ating Google Play Store. And then pagka-open guys, tap lang natin yung search or pumunta lang tayo sa search bar. So dito sa search bar naman guys, is ito-type lang natin yung Google. Then search. And ayan guys, piliin nyo lang yung Google app. So open lang natin. So kung hindi pa updated yung inyong Google app guys, may nakalagay dyan na update. Pero kung updated na yan, open na lang yung nakalagay. So since nga hindi pa to updated, i-update ko muna yung aking Google app. So tap nyo lang yung update. And wait nyo lang guys, hanggang sa matapos ma-install. So ayan guys, after ma-install, tap natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. So ayan guys, updated na yung ating Google app. And ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-update ng Google app. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.